To create a shopping list, have your customer sign in to their account through the Sign In Register Reset Password tab. Once logged in, your customer can add all of the desired products to the shopping list. Underneath the Add to Cart button is a button that says Add to Shopping List. When you click it, this screen shows up. If you have a previous shopping list, you can click it from the drop-down menu. If you need to create a new list, you can click Create New Shopping List. From there, create a title for your list with no spaces. For a description, put anything the customer would like. And hit Create. From there, you can add as many products as you'd like to the list. Once you have all your desired items on the list, navigate to My Account, Shopping List, and then choose the list all the products were added to. To add all the items to the cart, click the box on the top. To unselect, click again. If you want to click just a few items, select the boxes on the side. To add it to the cart, hit Add to Cart. From the cart, hit Checkout and check out as normal.